All right. I don't know what it is. It's the Wood Lake Nature Center, obviously. And we're going to end this one. I'm sick of it anyways, you guys. We're in Richfield. We're going to head on back. Hope you enjoyed it. And head on back in the car. And hope you enjoyed a little adventure. Just talking to a lady. She used to live close to Richfield. Now she comes out here on a regular basis and she walks around. So let's walk this way towards where I came from. And yeah, just down here in the winter time, but also in the fall. Yeah. What the hell, right? Come on down here. Walk around. Maybe write a song or something. So, beautiful day in July. Christmas is getting closer. You see this on the 15th day of when the hell it came out on, in December. And, poison ivy, yin yang. We're getting closer and closer. I can hear it's 35W right over there, by left over there, that wall over there. But still nice. You can kind of tell down there where the water would run when it rained, like a banshee. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed the series here at a nature center here. Beautiful day. I'm thirsty. We're gonna get back to the car and enjoy it. Some ice cream. Gotta go to Wisconsin tomorrow for work. And there she goes. It's never done for the working class, they say, right? Never done. Natural state. These trees they come down, they'll kill somebody. I told you guys at Miller Park there was a lady that was walking her dog or whatever. And a tree came down on and killed her. Eden Prairie, Miller Park, probably look it up. Have you ever been to the redwood trees? They make these look like shrubs. They're unbelievable, the redwoods. They're huge. Unbelievable. I like getting ahead of on my channel this far ahead, because then I can just decide what I want to do. If I have any ideas where I want to go to, what I want to do. I don't want to feel rushed. It's good being ahead. I'll be well into 2024. Just keep on putting out vlogs, right? Feel sorry for people. You know, the Wonder Hustler right now, she's stuck in trying to get her truck fixed, and she's running out of things to do because she doesn't know how to go out and just do a video. Power of Walking, Kathy Jean, December 9th to September 24th. Yep. Go out and walk, leave the house. I think I'm gonna go have a Wendy's ice cream or something. That bad boy. I've been to the redwood. If you ever get a chance, is you go to the redwoods. It's really kind of cool. The Trees of Mysteries is a really interesting place to go to in California. You get married there. Check it out. Google it, Trees of Mysteries, and then the drive-through tree is interesting. It's fun to go through that stuff. The Highway 1 drive from Seattle all the way down to LA is a must-do. Million-Dollar Highway. It's fun to drive. Albuquerque to Denver. See all that stuff in Colorado. Utah is beautiful. All that stuff. Travel, meet, read people, right? So yeah, I'd say got maybe 3/4 of it. I had time. Yeah, I go on the other side, but I could have walked the whole way around and cut through that place, but it was kind of fun to do it. You know, get the idea of this place. If one person sees this video and they're in the area, hey, what the hell? Let's go walk around where this idiot was at, right? So I can go that way too as well, but not. See, the trail goes that way too as well. I'm gonna go this way towards. Where does this one go to? Let's see where this goes to. We'll follow this one. It's like a shorter. Well, anyways. Never know, right? You don't know unless you my mom always said you don't know unless you go, right? That goes for anything, any park where you live. You don't know unless you go, right? So, what the hell, right? It's all about the house right over here, puts up against it, but it's quiet over here. So a lot of poison ivy, man. This is not cool. Some people get real, it's like a peanut allergy for some people. So. Walking backwards, right? But yeah, you know, once in a while, gotta be a goofball and do something more substantial in your life, right? Walk along, do videos, right? Leave the house. But hope you enjoyed this little adventure. In July of 2023, we cruised along, almost falling over on my ass. But yeah. It's not like other adventure people that get a lot more than I do, but they do a lot of over editing. It's more fun to get a bunch of videos out, and we'll take about, I don't know, I'll just put them all up once I get what I want, and up they go, and the day down and they're done, and you put the thumbnail on them and you're done. So houses over here. This is a long stretch, man. Just cruising right along. It's a big ass tree up here. Oh my goodness. Look at that bad boy. Whew. Long, tall Sally, right? Dun, 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 dun. Well, I might put this one on TikTok. Who knows? We'll see what happens. So, anyways, guys, Wooddale Preserve, Nature Center here in Richfield. So, hope you enjoyed it. I did. So. Another adventure in the books, right? Another adventure in the books. So, you can go that way as well, I guess. We're gonna go this way. So, all right, guys. From the outskirts, Richfield, Minnesota. See you guys all later. Bitch, please. I mean, bitch, please.